Hello children, we will be taking standard 6 GK. Turn back to chapter 25. Chapter 25 proverb wise. The first one, the answer is Rome. Here you have to complete the proverb describing the situations given. Situations you will read. The first one, the answer is Rome. The second one, people living in glass houses should not throw stones. The third one is make hay while the sun shines. Fourth one, all that glitter is not gold. Next one, I'm just telling you the proverb, okay? Fifth one, every cloud has a silver lining. Number 6, look before you leap. Then coming to the next chapter, chapter 27. 26 is omitted. Now underline the correct option. Snakes are cold-blooded animals whose skin is made of scales or plates. The python, Python, is the largest snake found in India. The process by which snakes shed their skin is called molting, molting. The Russell viper and the Indian krait are venomous, venomous. Venomous means poisonous. The king cobra is the world's largest venomous snake. Coming to the next one, it is true. Most snakes are dash. You can do this as fill in the blanks. You can see the underlined part that you can learn as blank. Okay. You can see it. Then coming to the next chapter, that is chapter 56. Water bodies of Orissa. Read the clues and name the rivers and lakes by using the help box. The first one is one of the major rivers of Odisha. This river originates from the Gupta Ganga hills in the district of Kendujhar. The answer is Baitani, Baitani. The second one, I am telling you only the answers. Second one, the answers is Brahmani, Brahmani. Then the third one, the answer is Mahanadi, Mahanadi. Then the fourth one, it is the highest waterfall in Orissa, located in the Mayurbhanj district. The answer is Baripani, Barehipani. Then the fifth one is this lake located in Orissa is the largest coastal lagoon in India. It is Chilika, Chilika, Chilika Lake. Then the next one, it is a horseshoe shaped freshwater lake in Banki, Odisha, on the banks of the Mahanadi river. It is one of the major freshwater lakes of India. The answer is Ansupa, Ansupa, Ansupa Lake. Then coming to the next chapter, minerals and industries of Odisha. Take the correct option. The first integrated steel plant in India was built in, the answer is Rourkela. Then the second one, Odisha contributes to the country's maximum production of the mineral. The answer is chromite, Chromite. The third one, the city of Angul in Odisha is well known for the industrial plant producing. The answer is aluminium, Aluminium. Fourth one, Odisha has almost all of the India's total deposit of nickel. India's richest hematite iron ore deposits are located in the state of Odisha in Barbil-Koira Valley. Then the last one, most of the coal reserves in Odisha are located at Talcher, Talcher. that is all from today, and in the next class we'll do the next current affairs booklet. Thank you.